Hello everybody, this is Graeme from Flow Software. So what is Flow? Well, Flow is an information hub that works really well with Wonderware Historian. So what does Flow do? Well, Flow turns your users into information management experts by helping them transform huge quantities of data into quality information. So why would you use Flow? Well, Flow empowers your users across all functions and levels within your organization to make informed decisions more frequently. And this results in optimizing your operational effectiveness across all of your investments.
Now you might ask, how do we make information management specialists out of mere mortals like myself? Now what we've done at Flow is we made it very simple for users to actually connect to the different data sources that we might encounter on our production facilities. There might be Wonderware historians, there might be other data like in potentially a Wonderware in batch or a Wonderware MES system. So we want to make it as easy as possible for the user to connect to all of these different data sources that he might encounter. Now what we've done at Flow is we've created what we call a plugin architecture that makes it super simple for the user to configure and to connect to these different data sources. We even have a data source to connect to online systems like the Wonderware Online Historian. Now after we've connected and collected the data out of all of these data sources, we have a very powerful calculation sitting in Flow that turns this mass amount of information into actionable KPIs that we can now act on. So the Flow engine will go and aggregate the data, do the calculations on the KPIs and store it inside of the Flow Information Hub. After the result is now stored in the Information Hub, we can now retrieve that data either via our visualization component, which is our dashboarding and our mobile app, or we can send that data by means of a push mechanism to other systems that potentially need this single source of information that we've now created. Now from a visualization component, Flow has a very simple self-serving dashboarding capability built in. We can create charts in tabular format, time series chart, scatter charts, donuts, and we can apply very specific visualization concepts like heat mapping and limit exceptions on top of this data, so that it makes it super easy for the user to identify when there's something went wrong in his production facility. Now we can also take that concept and share that dashboard via our mobile app. And the app is really a collaborative framework where people can now comment on the data, see what the problem is, and try to get to the actionable result faster.
So Flow is going to help you with your operational effectiveness by helping you manage various KPIs like OEE, like energy intensities, various ratios. And what that's going to do, it's going to allow you to manage your processes to gain additional return on investment on your equipment, on your people. So not just the return on investment on the licensing of your software, but the return on investment on all of your investments.
Thanks for watching this brief introduction into Flow software. If you need any more information, you can either check out our website or our YouTube channel. You can also contact ISCube if you need any further information about the integration between all of the different software components we spoke about in this blog.